this 69 Ford short bed. This one's gonna be a 50th anniversary gift for the grandparents. He had one back in the day, so why not give him another one? It's gonna need a lot of work though. New grills. Still debating on the paint, leaning towards root beer brown, so that'll be nice. New suspension, new wheels. Might keep these original bumpers, just paint them too. It's got the original 351 in it. This one blew a rod, so it's no good. Manual transmission. All this is going bye-bye because it's gonna get a 5.3 in it with the 4060 behind it. Yep, it's getting Chevy reliability into a Ford. Well, for how long this thing's been sitting, I mean, the interior is great. Even the seat doesn't look damaged. Although I think maybe at one point it's been redone. Headliner isn't falling. Visors are there. It'll get vintage AC along with an aftermarket Bluetooth stereo, but it'll be the vintage style. Everything insulated, new carpet. But that's pretty much it for this one right now. Still debating with everyone as to what the plan is. I'll be posting up more and more videos on this bad boy until it's finally done.